Vishnu was a very good and intelligent boy who had come to Vijayanagar for the first time. And he liked Vijayanagar and its people so much that he decided to settle there.
Hello, brother. If there any house available here, let me know. I want to buy it.
If he buys my house, all my debts will be cleared. Wait, I'm coming downstairs.
Satish was very poor, and it wasn't always like that. His ancestors were very wealthy, but over time, all their wealth and land was sold. And now all he had was left was his house. But that was very big.
Brother, you need to buy a house and I want to sell this house. If you like it, go ahead and buy it.
Wow. The house is very beautiful. It's a bit old, but that's okay. By the way, why do you want to sell it off?
I don't want to sell it, but I don't have a way out. This is my ancestral home that used to be very prosperous at one time. However, while taking care of it, I ended up drowning in debt. My family left this house and moved to another village. But the people here won't let me go without clearing their debts. And the truth is, I have a deep attachment to this house.
I can understand. After all, it's the last symbol of your ancestors.
Yes, brother, but there is no way out. If you buy this house from me, then I can settle my debts and go to my family after that.
Vishnu immediately bought Satish's house. With a heavy heart, Satish took one last look at his home and left the village forever. As soon as he left, Vishnu began the cleaning and renovation of the house.
This box? It seems like a treasure chest. What kind of box is this? It's filled with scorpions. There must be a secret behind it.
Vishnu began thinking of something after seeing the box filled with scorpions and took the box to the wisest and most elderly person in Vijayanagar.
Uncle, I found this box in Satish's house. I searched a lot for Satish, but I couldn't find him anywhere. Now it's only you who can solve my doubts.
Ask me, my child.
Uncle, the surprising thing is that this box is filled with scorpions.
My child, I think Satish's ancestors must have hidden some treasure in it, about which even Satish may not be aware.
Uncle, there is no treasure in it. I told you, just scorpions, only scorpions.
You may think so, my child, but there is an enchantment in this box. Because of that, the treasure will only be visible to Satish or someone from Satish's family. Others will only see scorpions.
Hearing Baba's words, Vishnu got lost in his thoughts.
Poor Satish. If he knew that his ancestors have left a treasure for him, he wouldn't have had to sell his house.
Feeling pity for Satish's situation, Vishnu decided that he would keep the box safe until the rightful owner of the treasure comes to claim it. In a few days, Vishnu opened his shop in the house and placed 4 scorpions from the box in the 4 corners of the shop. Gradually, Vishnu's shop became famous throughout Vijayanagar as Scorpion Shop. He quickly mingled with the people of Vijayanagar. Some became Vishnu's friends due to his good behavior, while the others felt jealous of him. However, Vishnu's shop thrived, and the fear of scorpions among the people gradually diminished. Vishnu earned a decent amount of money from his shop. But the great thing was that even after becoming wealthy, he did not forget to help the poor. Many years passed this way, and Vishnu became an old man. But still, no one came to claim the box filled with scorpions.
Uncle, I have come a long distance to see you. On the way here, some people told me that you help the poor and needy.
Yes, yes, my child. Tell me what help do you need? I will definitely do as much I can.
Due to poverty, I can't even go to school. Can you please give me some money so that I can go to school? I am passionate about studying.
I want to help you, my child. But I don't have that much money.
But people here have told me that you are very wealthy.
You shouldn't believe everything people say. They often exaggerate things.
Huh? Uncle, if you don't want to help, just say it clearly. What's the need to lie?
What do you mean?
I mean, if you say you don't have money, then why have you kept gold coins in the corners of your shop?
Gold coins? But they are scorpions.
Huh? Scorpions? Do scorpions look like gold coins to you?
But there is an enchantment in this box. Because of that, the treasure will only be visible to Satish or someone from Satish's family. Others will only see scorpions.
Are you by any chance related to Satish, who used to live in this house before? Did your ancestors ever live in this village? Tell me quickly.
How do you know that my name is Satish? This name belonged to my grandfather too, who used to live in this village years ago.
Hearing Satish's words, Vishnu learned the truth of the old man's words. He showed Satish the box that he found in the house.
All right, tell me, what's in this box?
Wow! So many gold coins.
Vishnu's years of search had come to an end, as he had found the rightful owner of the box, for which he had been waiting for years. He handed the box full of gold coins to Satish.
Son, all these coins are yours, left by your ancestors for you.
What? Is it true? Uncle, you have taken care of it for so many years. You should keep some coins too.
No. All of this is yours. From now on, all your sorrows will end. You can study well and lead a good life.
Thank you, Uncle.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.